Launched by SKF and UBT, looking lovely. Congratulations. The stage is yours. Do join us. Mahesh sir, please do come on stage, sir. नहीं वैसे ये तो महेश सर 5.0 है सर. दूसरा महेश सर कहाँ है सर? आप इतने फिट लग रहे हैं, अलग लेवल. Ravi Basrur sir and Hitesh Modak do come on stage. Sound design, lyrics, music, everything Ravi Basrur sir has done. Lots and lots of questions to ask him as well. Can I get some more mics as well? And of course, as our gentlemen make their way on stage, Salman sir, do come on stage as well, sir, please. Yeah, sir. Congratulations, Mahesh sir. पहला सवाल सर आपसे. एक डायरेक्टर ऑलवेज जब शुरुआत करते हैं फिर वेट कर रहे होते हैं कि कब मैं दुनिया को दिखा सकूं अपना बेबी. इसमें काफी समय लग गया बनाते बनाते. For the director also continuity match करना, patience रखना, it's a toughest job. कैसा रहा सर आपके लिए?
नहीं, I think the journey was बहुत smooth था ये पिक्चर का. In fact, क्योंकि एक तो स्क्रिप्ट बहुत पहले रेडी थी and the actors were prepared. तो आधे से ज़्यादा काम तो मेरा वहीं easy हो गया था. And कुछ नहीं, कहीं रुकी नहीं फिल्म. In spite of there are some films which get lucky. In spite of COVID का ये भी हम लोग बीच में निकल के भी just finish the film in quite a decent amount of time. एक तो production बहुत अच्छा था, तो एक आधा worry निकल जाता है ना कि there you don't have to use your energy by कि अरे ये मांगता है मेरे को वो मांगता है. And I think we had a good script. जो base एक तो it was based on something जो base भी अच्छा था, तो we tried to incorporate something, एक उसका base लेके the script has shaped up well, and it was a film which was to my liking और मेरा genre था. So I think things were easy, and this girl I found new, and I think she's going to give a lot of girls a run for their money.
High praise in your first film. Before I go to the rest of cast, sir, say बाकी महेश सर कहाँ चले गए? ये जो न्यू एंड इम्प्रूव्ड फिटनेस वाला वर्जन जो भी सलमान सर के साथ फिल्म करते हैं, सब मतलब ये डाइट और वर्कआउट ही शुरू हो जाता है सर?
नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं था, but I had worked out just before Antim. I had lost about 35 kgs.
So that itself is a big round of applause for that.
Yeah. I was 105.
Well done.
But फिर then एक unfortunate thing happened after I finished Antim. वो एक ऐसा था कि I was diagnosed with cancer. During, yeah. I shot about the last portion when I had cancer. In fact, I was taking chemotherapy. But then today I'm very happy to tell you that I'm cancer free. And
congratulations, sir. Well done. The fight is always tough.
And he got to know that he had cancer before shooting Antim. He did not tell us, but then we found out. And then as soon as he finished the first lot of shoot, then he went and got himself operated. And now today he's...
Looks fantastic. Salman sir, always pressure on you whenever you have other faces with you also. There's a matchup, body matchup also. That also happens rarely. How much did you have to work on Ayush to make sure that the matchup worked?
I had an advantage of age and experience. And he did have an advantage of enthusiasm and 4 months. Yeah, I started one and a half week before the body shot. And I thought it was going to get postponed by 4 days, but he would not be able to handle those 4 days. So I had to shoot in those 4 days.
Ayush, this is always a big time for you also. Like I said, तुम्हारा इंतजार रहता है कि यार मैं जल्दी लोगों के सामने अपने नए अवतार प्रेजेंट करूं. And we were talking about this also last time, आपकी not just body, even the look is a very different look, of course, and it's shades of meanness, negativity, tough action boy, which you aren't in real life. तो कैसा था transformation? मुश्किल?
I think it was very different. As you said, that it's not me in real life. So physical transformation is one aspect of it, but to understand, to do it properly, I think Mahesh sir was very kind enough to help me translate this character. He really helped me on set, and he used to help me before the shooting began, or to understand what I need to do and how to not make it loud, but make it underplay the whole character. But more than anything, it was Salman Bhai who really inspired. for 2 years when the film was in pre-production stage, he'll constantly keep inspiring that, this is a film that you need to change yourself through, do something different. And I think I'm very lucky that, many actors don't get a chance in the second film to change themselves completely. I think I'm very grateful for the makers to give me that opportunity.
I have two opposite brother-in-laws. One is the most patient one, that's Atul, the most impatient one. कब ट्रेलर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब डिजिटल पोस्टर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं शूट, खत्म करो इसको,
But it's worked well,
कब
sir.
रिलीज कर रहे हैं.
Are you happy with the final product of Ayush?
Me? If you ask
Both
me,
of you, sir.
Me?
This is the final product. He said you kept inspiring and you
No,
he
we
was
were
work in
happy with
progress.
this product, but my sister got married to him.
but I
And
will
we are happy
want
with
to-
their products also. Very happy with Ahil and Ayat.
So
but if
this
you ask
production
me-
has done
If you
well.
ask me, I think you expect something. When you're working with an actor, you expect something. That this guy will deliver this much, but I think he has far exceeded my expectations. He is fantastic in the film, and I used to take it, but I want people to see Salman in the film because he's a different Salman in the film, and he has done a brilliant job. So I'm more than happy because I got to work with two guys who I'm very, very satisfied when I see the thing. I feel ki they've done a great job.
And she's done a brilliant job as well also. Maima, congratulations to the big stage. You're a semi-veteran, film debut, yes, but so for the audiences, like we did this, when did you actually first appear in front of the camera?
Firstly, hi, good
Yeah.
evening. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for making our day even more special. Okay, so to answer your question, I started off acting when I was 10.
So this is an easy cakewalk for you then.
Not at all, not at all. First of all, I can't believe that I'm sharing the stage, the screens with the people around me, and it still feels unreal. And let me tell you, it's a dream come true. Never did I think that I will get this opportunity to work with Salman.
Chori nikal gayi.
Arey! Never did I think this that I would get an opportunity to work with Salman sir, Mahesh sir, incredible people, and to work on a wonderful script. So it was definitely not a cakewalk for me. It was more about proving myself that sir ne agar Mahesh sir ne, Salman sir ne bharosa kiya hai, so I should prove myself. And I am, like sir said, the character is extremely, it's a pataka. She was a firecracker. So for me to crack her and to pull her off was
Very simple,
oh no.
as you can all see.
So it still feels unreal, and I can't tell you how happy, how emotional. It's a mixed emotion that I have inside me right now, but I feel incredible and happy, and yeah.
I'm so happy you really sound excited about that. That's the way it should be.
Yeah.
Wait till the 26th.
Yes.
You probably won't be able to sleep at night. Two gentlemen over there. Yeah.
Huh? Garipan Ashish, right?
Your family is here, right?
Yes.
Sweet. Two gentlemen standing over there. This conversation cannot continue without introducing them. Ravi Basrur Saab and Hitesh. Ravi Basrur Saab, KGF 1, The first time I went into a theater to watch that, I was one of the few people. And I was discussing with Ravi sir. The sound when, Yash walks in, it just blew everybody's mind away. So he created the BGM for that. And he's just one of the most incredible sound gentlemen that there is. The full sound
Thank you very much.
of this film, lyrics, everything is him. Sir, होता है पर्दे के पीछे जो लोग होते हैं और जो साउंड बनाते हैं, लोग they don't know them. बड़े stars दिख जाते हैं. You're a superstar down south as well. Sir, what is it to create sound for a film? Just, for all our entire audience.
थैंक यू सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. मेरा मानना है कि बगीचे में बहुत सारे फूल होते हैं. सभी को भगवान का उधर यानी कि आपका उधर आने का बहुत तरस होता है. सो क्या होता है ना, जो जब हमारे अंदर का जो टैलेंट है, सो इट्स फर्स्ट सेलेक्टिंग द डायरेक्टर. आई वांट टू थैंक डायरेक्टर. दोस्त हमारे जो अंदर जो भी टैलेंट हो, विदाउट इनका सिलेक्शन हम आ नहीं सकते आपके उधर. उसके बाद प्रोडक्शन हाउस, सो दे आर द सेकंड गॉड. हमको खाना और हमारा जो मन में यानी कि आपको देने का है करके, सो उसको फुलफिल करने वाले प्रोडक्शन हाउस. थैंक्स लॉट सर मेरे ऊपर ट्रस्ट करने के लिए. सो टैलेंट सभी के ऊपर होते हैं, लेकिन टैलेंट का मतलब ही नहीं. सो जो सेलेक्ट करता है, वो जो अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है, ही इज द गॉड. थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी.
एंड हितेश, बड़े पर्दे पर बड़े नाम के साथ जुड़ जाना, इट ऑलवेज हेल्प्स. यू नो, मैं कितने कंपोजर्स को जानता हूँ, कितने म्यूजिशियंस को जानता हूँ जिनकी आवाज होती है, लेकिन लाइक रवि सर सेड, वो पहुंचने का जरिया नहीं होता है. एंड यू नो, दिस प्लेटफॉर्म, एनी टाइम यू गेट इन्वॉल्व विद सलमान सर, दिस प्लेटफॉर्म जस्ट इंक्रीजेस, इट जस्ट बिकम्स वाइडर. तो इस एक्सपीरियंस में आप जरूर बताएं.
मेनली तो मेरे लिए मतलब यहाँ पे सर और महेश सर और सलमान सर इनके साथ खड़ा होना, मतलब दिस वाज अ ड्रीम. मतलब
तो बैठ जाओ.
दिस वाज अ ड्रीम. एंड यू नो मतलब इनके जो थॉट्स थे गानों के लेके, एंड दे वर वेरी सॉर्टेड. And you know, I used to get suggestions from Salman sir also, Mahesh sir also, and then to incorporate their ideas on, and you know, work on the songs. It was a great experience for me, and matlab, this is a dream for me also.
Lots of dreams getting fulfilled, and I will open out to, we haven't done this in a long time, so
तो
guys, आपके लिए.
रवि बसूर साहब से जब मेरी बात हुई तो मैंने उनको बोला कि इसका बैकग्राउंड स्कोर मेरे को ऐसा. सर आप फिक्र मत करो, थिएटर की कुर्सियां हिलेंगी. सो आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर द कुर्सी टू हिलो. क्या हिल रही थी कुर्सी? यू फेल दैट? यू गाइस फेल दैट हिलोइंग द कुर्सी? अब 2.5-3 साल हो गए थिएटर में कुछ चीज देखे हुए. पिक्चर तो छोड़ो, ये पहला ट्रेलर है जो देख रहे हैं हम, तो इफेक्ट थिएटर का पता चलता है that there is no other alternate to this big screen.
And we need films like yours to come out, sir. हम सबकी
No, films like ours and
media
everyone
also.
else's, the whole industry, because and the fans to keep coming back into their theaters and be safe. That's the most important thing there is.
Absolutely. I'm going to open out now. Please do come with your questions. Yeah.
हेलो.
एक सेकंड, माइक जा रहा होगा.